So this is what you guys do? You allow yourself to be used for an armed robbery? You are innocent. Don't worry.
I'm innocent. I'm not.
He can go anywhere he wants to go. After all, my car is tracked, so he can't go anywhere with it. Hello? Yes. OJ. Yes, please, if you're within the estate, my car has just been snatched now, but I've stopped it somewhere around the estate. Yes, I've already stopped the car with my truck. Thank you. Yes.
Oh boy, I don't catch Maga today. See Morona, skip motor.
Man, why this slow now? What's in the happen? What's in the happen now? Before another the car, Jesus. Why the car they stop? Hey, this car no good though. I don't go snatch nonsense car.
Young man.
Sir.
Is this not the car? Young man.
No, sir. It's not me. It's not me, sir. No, sir. My car, sir. Sorry, sir.
Teach you a lesson.
Sorry.
Never regret.
Sorry, sir.
Follow me.
You are an idiot.
Sorry, sir.
So this is what they do now. I saw this one selling pure water on the road and they were crying on the road. I was just trying to help. I came down from my car and this idiot stole my car and ran away with it.
Sir,
and thank God for the tracker that is the devil.
Sir.
Don't worry. After when I finish dealing with you, when you see the devil, you won't recognize the devil.
I will deal with you.
You see, most of all this thing happening in our community. How man do we even stand to help people anymore? You stop on the road to help a beggar on the road, you end up being attacked or kidnapped. You stop on the road to even give arm to someone on the road, it turns out being that you are a victim of armed robbery or even a kidnap. And look at this one now. And thank God that I have tracker installed in my car. If not, it would have been a very sad story for me.
I will not do it again.
What is your relationship with this guy?
Nothing.
He just called you people and pay you to orchestrate this drama on the road. What a wicked world we are in. And later we'll blame the government for everything. This is what you should be imbibing on them, teaching them how to start robbery at early stage. Officer, please, I need this person seriously dealt with. Let it be a scapegoat for others that are planning such.
Definitely.
Please. And you, get inside the car.